The Atacama skeleton, also known as the Atacama humanoid or the Ata specimen, is a small mummified skeleton that gained international attention due to its unusual appearance. It was discovered in 2003 in the Atacama Desert region of Chile by a Chilean collector. The skeleton measures about 6 inches, 15 centimeters, in length and has a number of physical characteristics that initially led to speculation and controversy about its origins. It has a large elongated head, a small body with a total of 10 ribs, compared to the usual 12 in humans, and other skeletal anomalies. Some people suggested that the skeleton might be extraterrestrial or a previously unknown species of humanoid. In 2013, an extensive scientific study was conducted on the Atacama skeleton, including DNA analysis. The results revealed that the specimen was, in fact, human and not a non-human or extraterrestrial creature. The analysis identified genetic mutations that contributed to the unusual physical features. The skeleton's age was estimated to be around 40 years old at the time of death, which occurred within the last century. Further investigation and analysis suggested that the skeleton likely suffered from a severe form of dwarfism called osteochondrodysplasia. This condition resulted in the skeletal deformities observed in the Atacama skeleton. It is important to note that while the physical appearance of the skeleton is atypical, it is not evidence of extraterrestrial life or any mysterious creature. The Atacama skeleton serves as a reminder of the importance of scientific analysis and critical thinking in investigating unusual phenomena. It also highlights the potential for misinterpretation and sensationalism surrounding such discoveries.